Have you ever thought of the programming language that holds the highest demand in 2024? Despite the existence of over 200 programming languages, only a select few find practical application in the industry. Understanding this aspect is crucial for achieving success in the competitive field of developer jobs. These programming languages continue to evolve, adapting to the changing landscape of technology. Developers should stay updated on the latest features and advancements in each language to make informed decisions based on project requirements and industry trends. Of course, if they want to. Here's a brief overview of the top 8 most demanded programming languages in 2024. JavaScript and Typescript. JavaScript continues to dominate web development, powering interactive and dynamic content on the internet. TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript, gains popularity for its static typing and enhanced tooling. Recent discoveries include progress in optimizing JavaScript performance, enabling faster execution in web browsers. Since January 2022 to May 2023, there were 915K job offers. That represents about 29% of the jobs that explicitly required JavaScript or TypeScript as a programming language. Python. Python remains a versatile language, excelling in web development, data science, artificial intelligence. Recent breakthroughs include developments in quantum computing libraries for Python, showcasing its adaptability to emerging technologies beyond traditional domains. Also, Python has one of the greatest and bigger communities on the internet. Java. Java maintains its strong presence in enterprise applications and Android development. Recent innovations in Java focus on improved garbage collection mechanisms, enhancing memory management efficiency and contributing to the language's reliability in large-scale applications. Also, popular frameworks like Spring, used in many top-tier companies over the world, are helping to hold that position. C#. C# is a key player in the Microsoft ecosystem, powering applications on the .NET framework. Recent developments highlight the expansion of C# into cross-platform development, with .NET Multi-Platform App UI, enabling developers to build applications for various operating systems using a single codebase. It is also heavily used in the Unity game framework for scripting. Both .NET Framework and Unity are popular among top-tier companies. PHP. PHP remains a cornerstone for server-side web development. Recent discoveries in the PHP community include efforts to enhance performance and security, promising significant speed improvements for certain workloads. In May 2023, PHP constitutes 10% of the overall demand for developer job positions, meaning that 1 in every 10 developer roles necessitates proficiency in PHP. C and C++. C and C++ continue to be foundational languages for system-level programming and performance-critical applications. Modern C++ includes object-oriented, generics, and also functional features. It also facilitates low-level memory manipulation. Its usage in the industry is widely extended. C++ can be found on video games, servers, databases, space probes, and many others. The demand for C and C++ appears to have slowed down in 2023 and 2024. Ruby. Ruby is celebrated for its elegant syntax and developer-friendly environment. Recent discoveries in the Ruby community involve optimizations in the Ruby interpreter, enhancing the language's performance. Additionally, there's a growing interest in using Ruby for serverless computing, highlighting its versatility beyond web development. Ruby holds the top 7 most demanded programming language with 134K jobs found. About 4% from the total job demand. Go. Go, or Golang, is recognized for its simplicity and efficiency, particularly in concurrent programming. Recent advancements in Go include improvements in its package management system and enhancements to the language's error handling mechanisms. The job demand for Go programming language remains stable at 2%, with more than 58K job opportunities available during last year. Clearly, JavaScript and TypeScript stand out as dominant forces in the developer job market, collectively representing a substantial 29% of job offers. This significant figure underscores the fact that nearly 1/3 of job opportunities necessitate proficiency in either JavaScript or TypeScript. Python and Java emerge as the second and third most popular programming languages in 2024, each commanding a considerable number of job offers. Now, please respond to this question in the comments. We are eager to hear your thoughts on the future of programming languages. Which programming language do you prefer the most?